spiritual war right now, so go and pick your side. I got that sword of spirit, taking these demons like I'm in control. I'm fighting for my soul, yeah. Spiritual war right now, so go and pick your side. I got that sword of spirit, taking these demons like I'm in control. I'm fighting for my soul, yeah.
Hey, Satan thought he had me. Hell lost another one. I crawled about them ashes, stepped about that grave, and God gave me a new name. Left my sins up at that cross behind my God, boy, I don't play. I was on the dark side, yelling out the north side, really outside. Satan had me hogtied. I was building up his kingdom with that music that was poison. I turned around and came home, my angels was rejoicing. Prodigal son, Satan made my Bible my gun. I'm on the front line against the diabolical one. He been sending his attacks on me and applying pressure, but this battle has been won. We gon' leave him on that stretcher.
While Satan hating me, I give it all to God. While Satan chasing me, I give it all to God. Fighting for my soul, fighting for my soul, yeah.
Spiritual war right now, so go and pick your side. I got that sword of spirit, taking these demons like I'm in control. I'm fighting for my soul, yeah. Spiritual war right now, so go and pick your side. I got that sword of spirit, taking these demons like I'm in control. I'm fighting for my soul, yeah.
Like my life is what I'm fighting for. Christ is who I'm fighting for. It used to be for earthly things, but that was like a life ago. Yeah, ever since I died to flesh, this mic is what I'm righteous for. But not to get the glory, but to spread his light across the globe. So I gotta give it to God. Flesh, I might kill it for God. Officially living for God, willing to heal it for God. Give it to God, billing, never chilling for God. Never was a ceiling for God, refilling for God. This where we gon' win it for God. My flesh, I'ma in it for God. Dirty devil, you can bite down right now. Through Christ, that's my soul. Cause I'm about to knock your lights out right now. Lil Jeff might fold. Your plans on my block, yeah, right now, like now. Spiritual, my new bow. Satan hating on my lifestyle. Got Christ now, my face swole.
Spiritual war right now, so go and pick your side. I got that sword of spirit, taking these demons like I'm in control. I'm fighting for my soul, yeah. Spiritual war right now, so go and pick your side. I got that sword of spirit, taking these demons like I'm in control. I'm fighting for my soul, yeah. And now we're saving souls. My Father is the King on the throne, and gotta give you all my life. You gotta give you all my life. You say me testing my patience, I told my father he ain't make it. Devil he wanna come take it, I took him back to the basics. Old 66 in him and now he's squirming and he's shaking. Uncle looking YDs, was about to make it, he don't even know what he facing. Like devil was him, I read on my doctor's sword and cook him up green eggs and ham. The devil he banned, can't even go under the sand. No drivers, he ain't in the clan. God is the king, like what's your path? Rebuke the disease, we tearing masks. And oh God, I give you time. And oh God, I give my life. Spiritual war right now, so go and pick your side. I got that sword of spirit, taking these demons like I'm in control. I'm fighting for my soul, yeah. Spiritual war right now, so go and pick your side. I got that sword of spirit, taking these demons like I'm in control.